Welcome guys, Tony here with Learn Auto Body and Paint doing another auto body Q&A. So here is our first question today. Hey Tony, it's Mike. So my question is, I got a 99 GMC Yukon, was painted around June this year. Unfortunately, being a newbie, I put painter's tape under the door handle to protect the newly painted area from scratches the next day. Then install it. When I removed the tape, pulled the clear off, pulled the clear sending pictures. I've watched your blending video, but it's a metallic paint. Do I need a base color or intercoat clear to help orientation? I figured I would just blend both doors in clear. Appreciate all your help and encouragement. I really didn't think I could do this. Paint the whole truck by myself. Hope all is well with your family. I don't see... I think this is where you screwed it up right here. Right in here, guys. I thought that was a shadow at first or something, but that looks like you peeled it off, literally. So here's what I would do. The only thing you could do is just sand it and just do the whole door again. And just base it. Because it's not a custom color, it's just a basic silver, I don't think you can have any blending issues at all. Especially that it's a new paint job, so you're not going to have to worry about matching old paint with new paint. So I would definitely just redo the door. Okay, so, and as I mentioned in my VIP course, after completing paint jobs, you want to unmask the car literally, at the minimal, 2 hours after your paint job. Okay, you could even go as early as an hour after. It depends on your paint, your clear coat, the dry speed and the brands that you use. I don't know, it depends. But usually after about an hour and a half to 2 hours, your paint is pretty much dry enough but still wet to where you can pull off your masking tape without causing any issues. Because if you let it dry too long and then you pull off your masking paper or your tape, you have a chance, just like you did here, to basically pull off your new paint. Okay, so you always want to unmask your project a few hours after you paint your car. You never want to wait till the next day. Okay, then you just let your car sit, don't mess with it, let it wait till the next day, then you're good. Okay, so pull off your masking paper and your tape and all that around your trim or whatnot, around 2 hours after your paint job. Then let it sit till the next day. Then you'll be fine touching it and rubbing your car down and all that. Alright, so hopefully this video helped you. Again, if you guys are brand new watching the channel, click like, subscribe, hit the bell for more notifications on new auto body Q&A like this. We do upload other videos on auto body, but right now I'm running through a bunch of Q&A for all of my subscribers here. So hopefully you enjoy it. It's Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint. Click the top right of this video actually to get a free auto body and paint guide. If you're on mobile, just click this button over here. If you're watching on YouTube, you can also click the top button or even click the link in the description down below, right around here, to get a free 85-page auto body and paint manual. It looks something like this. And also don't forget to check out VIP, where we have a step-by-step training program that'll teach you A to Z, everything you need to know on auto body. We cover everything from blending, two-tone paint jobs, three-tone paint jobs, rust repair, body kit modification, complete paint jobs, painting with candies, pearls, and flake, and so much more. We have over 10,000 VIP members across the world, private Facebook group, private forums, and so much more. Again, it's Tony here. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching the videos. Bye.